Atlanta Gaslight continues to be a citizen wherever we serve. We are committed to delivering safe, reliable, affordable, and clean natural gas to our customers. But more important to that, making sure that we serve citizens in those communities. Atlanta Gaslight serves in many different ways. Our employees love to volunteer. We love philanthropy. We love to give. But more importantly, we like to partner with organizations like HopeWorks to ensure that we are meeting the needs of all of our communities. So HopeWorks serves our senior community, and I think that's so important because our senior community can be some of the most vulnerable and taken advantage of. And so HopeWorks makes sure that people that they send are reliable, they're trustworthy, and that they're going to do the repairs in a way that will keep our community safe.
HopeWorks was founded in 1984 by a gentleman named Mr. Lynn Westergaard, and our mission has stayed the same over the last 40 years, is to help low-income seniors age in place in their own home. You imagine being a low-income senior homeowner in the middle of winter, your furnace goes out. What are your options? You can call a heating and air company, but a lot of times they'll quote you a price anywhere from $4,000 to $7,000 to replace a unit. So having a program like this, where we can help these low-income seniors by coming in, talking to them, being able to replace a furnace, not only helps them to stay warm in the winter, but relieves a lot of stress off of their lives. We've had an opportunity to partner with a lot of different people, one of them being Atlanta Gaslight, and the repair and replacement of gas furnaces and gas water heaters in their homes.
I've been here in this home, September will be 48 years. I found out about HopeWorks through United Way, 211. They told me to dial 211 and I did. And they gave me the different numbers to call to find out about getting help. So when I called, and that's when I found out about the furnace and the hot water heater. My furnace and everything's in the basement. So they came out and checked everything to make sure everything was fine and everything was all right. And it was installed in my basement and stuff. And I was happy. I was happy about it. And HopeWorks continuously checking on me to make sure everything was all right. And they just been a big part of my life.
So many of our communities are facing very hard financial times, whether it's from groceries or just fuel or just overall the challenges. And so HopeWorks plays a key role in making sure that those clients have access to those energy sources that they need and that they're in top working order. Whether it's supplying a gas furnace, a gas water heater, but they're making sure that they're repaired correctly because here at Atlanta Gaslight, safety is our #1 value.
And I'm just so happy to be a part of HopeWorks. You know, I really felt like I had been forgotten. I knew I wasn't, but it just seemed like everything just started coming together. And it's just a blessing.